Are you ready to discover a powerful technique that can change your life? Stick around to learn how you can manifest anything you want with just your imagination. Here's a fascinating story from Neville Goddard. A man lost the pants to his favorite suit at the dry cleaners. Despite searching high and low, they couldn't find the pants. Instead of giving up, the man decided to use a powerful method. He imagined feeling the pants on his legs while driving, not physically touching them, but vividly sensing them in his mind. He kept this image and sensation alive in his mind all day. Miraculously, the next day, the cleaners found the pants hidden in another suit. This wasn't just luck, it's the power of assumption at work. Want to learn more about how this technique can work for you? Click the link in the description to access exclusive resources and start mastering the law of assumption. So, what's the secret? It's not just about visualizing your goals, it's about feeling them as if they're already yours. Imagine the texture, the warmth, the joy of having what you desire. For example, if you want a new car, visualize sitting in it, feeling the leather, and experiencing the thrill of driving it. The key is to live as though your desire is already fulfilled. This means immersing yourself in the feeling and sensations associated with your goals. The more real it feels, the more powerful your manifestation will be. Here are 3 steps to apply this technique effectively. First, define your desire. Clearly identify what you want. Second, feel it now. Immerse yourself in the feeling as if you already have it. Third, stay consistent. Maintain this feeling consistently and let go of doubts. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the stronger your manifestation power becomes. Ready to transform your reality? Click the link below for more tips on mastering the law of assumption and start creating the life you desire today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on manifesting your dreams. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.